Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or help solve the problem of videos not posting on the application of threads. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here we will search about the application of threads and we click. Then we go to first tab and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.